Hello and welcome you all on our channel once again. Today we are going to learn tense again. First video already I had uploaded. If you hadn't watched the first part of the video tense, so go and watch that video, then continue this video. So today we are going to learn present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense comparatively. ठीक है, हम तीनों टेंस को एक साथ पढ़ेंगे, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस एंड फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस. क्योंकि जब भी हम टेंस पढ़ते हैं तो हम कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि प्रेजेंट में कौन सा वर्ब लगेगा, कौन सा हेल्पिंग लगेगा, पास्ट में कौन सा लगेगा एंड फ्यूचर में कौन सा लगेगा. तो इसलिए मैं आपको कंपेरेटिवली एक साथ तीनों को कंपेयर करते हुए एक्सप्लेन करूंगी कि व्हाट इज द continuous, which verb you will use and which helping verb you will use. Okay, so already two example I had written. So in the first here the assertive sentence I had written, negative and interrogative I will tell you. So I am writing a letter. As you can see here, I am writing a letter. Mean with the helping verb is am, are will be used here in the present continuous tense according to the singular and plural subject. In my previous video I had explained the singular and plural subject. So here I am writing means verb to be is am, are and verb plus ing. Here verb, first form of verb plus ing form will be used in simple present tense. I hope it will be clear and you should learn it. With the he is playing football. According to the subject, here the singular subject is used. So that's why here the singular verb, helping verb will be used. This is a helping verb and here the play, the first form of the verb and ing we will use to show the continuation of the action. Okay, I hope it will be clear. Now we will change this sentence into negative. Negative sentence. Okay, so the first one, while negative, after the helping verb and before the verb we will put not. So here I am not writing a letter. Next one, he is not playing football. Very easily you can learn the tense, continuous tense. Now the interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Now I will tell you how to change the interrogative sentence. So as helping verb we will put the first. Am I writing a letter? If interrogative negative, you end the question mark. If interrogative negative, you need to then am I writing a letter? Am I not writing a letter? If interrogative negative you want to, then am I not writing a letter? Now the next one. Is he playing football? Question mark. So I hope it would be clear. You can see here how to change negative and how to negative and which verb and which helping verb we will use. Helping verb is am, are with the present continuous tense and verb first form of the verb plus ing we will use. In past continuous also, the helping verb was verb we will use and first form of the verb plus ing we will use in past continuous tense also. Okay, so as you can see here, example I have written, he was reading a novel. Was, it means past. So in the past, was and were we will use according to the singular subject and the plural subject. With the plural subject we will use were and with the singular subject we will use was. I hope it will be clear. Now let me tell you how to change into negative. Negative sentence. The first one, he was not reading a novel. They were not listening news. As you can see here was verb plus not plus ing form of the verb. Sometimes you have questions regarding that, which verb recognize the verb, which tense recognize the tense, then it would be very easy to you all. Now interrogative, how to change the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. The first helping verb first we will use while changing the helping verb first, helping verb then subject Was he reading a novel? Question mark. Was he reading a novel? And the same, were they listening news? Question mark. So I hope it would be clear. Present continuous tense would be clear. Were they listening news? It means helping verb was were and plus ing form. Now future continuous tense. We shall be going to park. She will be singing a song. As you all know, with the simple future tense, we will use will and shall plus first form of the verb. But in continuous future continuous tense, will be and shall be will be the helping verb of future continuous tense. Will be, shall be. Learn it right now. Will be, shall be will be the helping verb of future continuous tense plus first form of the verb. Verb first form plus ing will be used and helping verb will be. So now let me change it into negative sentence. We shall not be. Mind it. The not where you will put the not. Shall not be. Shall not be going. Shall not be going to park. Means future continuous tense. When you will study the simple future continuous tense, then you have to use shall be. Helping verb shall be and will be you will use. Where you will use shall be with the first form of, with the first person of the pronoun I and we. Shall we will use and shall be, and rest of the pronoun you will use will. Okay. So she will be listening a song. Now how will you change into negative? So she will not be singing a song. Singing a song. I hope it would be clear. Means will be, shall be. Learn it. Learn the helping verb with the verb and how you will make the sentence. Okay. Now the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. How will you change this sentence into interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence means question sentence. Question. How will it means by putting the helping verb first, and where you will put the subject between, as you put in negative sentence, not between the will and shall, between the will be and shall be. In the same way, while changing it into interrogative sentence, you will put the subject between will and shall. I hope it would be clear. Will. So like let me show you. Shall, then subject. What is the subject? We is the subject here. So while changing it into interrogative sentence, we will put shall first, then the subject. What is the subject? We. Shall we be going to park? Then interrogative at the end. And interrogative sentence always begin with the capital letter and end with the full question mark. So shall we be going to park? Now the next sentence. Will she be singing a song? So I hope it would be clear. I had explained all the assertive, negative and interrogative sentence of all the continuous tense. I hope it would be clear. Now you can note it down or take a screenshot. Now we will learn perfect tense, present perfect tense, past perfect and future perfect tense. As you can see here, the example, two example I have written here, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. So you can learn here the verb and the helping verb and the verb. Which helping verb and which verb we will use in present perfect, which helping verb which verb we will use in past perfect, and which one helping verb and which verb we will use in future perfect. So comparatively we will learn all the perfect tense, means present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Okay. So here, as you can see here, the example I had written, have, had plus third form of the verb we will use in present perfect tense. Have, had plus third form of the verb. Third form of the कैन बी ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लाइक द पार्टिसिपल. सो इस टेंस में सिंगुलर के साथ हम हैज का प्रयोग लगाते हैं प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. हैज प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, हियर थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, and with plural have plus third form of the verb. Okay, so which was third form of the perfect tense, imperfect tense. So now how will it change into negative? Negative sentence. We have not finished the work. As you can see here, we have not after the helping verb. Which helping verb we will use? कौन सा helping verb हम यूज करते हैं? Have plus not plus third form of the verb. जब हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाएंगे helping verb plus not plus third form of the verb का प्रयोग करेंगे. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, she has. अभी जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं ये क्या है? सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम has का प्रयोग करेंगे प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. तो नेगेटिव बनाना है तो क्या करेंगे? Not eaten all the mangoes. Okay, now I hope it would be clear. She has not eaten all the mangoes. So we have finished. ये आपका एग्जांपल था प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का, उसको मैंने नेगेटिव में बनाया. कैसे? सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस नॉट प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड देन अदर. नाउ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Interrogative sentence. So as you can see here, if while changing the interrogative sentence, helping verb we will put the first. सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? हेल्पिंग वर्ब को पहले लगा के हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है पहले सेंटेंस की? हैव. तो हम पहले लगा देंगे हैव, फिर हेल्पिंग वर्ब, फिर सब्जेक्ट. आफ्टर हेल्पिंग वर्ब सब्जेक्ट वी. हैव वी finished the work. क्वेश्चन मार्क. कभी भी क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना मत भूलिए. क्वेश्चन मार्क जरूर लगाएंगे आप. ठीक है. अभी हम आपको सेकंड सेंटेंस जो है वो डबल इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. सेकंड टाइप्स ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बाय यूजिंग WH वर्ड. जब हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो हम दो तरह से इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. पहला हमने बना लिया है जिसमें हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब को पहले, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब को पहले लगाते हैं, फिर सब्जेक्ट, फिर थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब और प्लस अदर. लेकिन जब हम WH वर्ड से बनाते हैं तो यही फॉर्मूला तो नहीं रहता है हैव प्लस दी, उससे पहले, इसीलिए इसको डबल इंट्रोगेटिव कहते हैं क्योंकि हेल्पिंग वर्ब तो पहले रहता ही है और उससे पहले हम WH वर्ड लगाते हैं. तो जैसे शी हैज ईटेन, तो शी, तो हैड, यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? वाई. पहले हमने WH वर्ड लगा दिया वाई. अब क्या लगाएंगे हम? हेल्पिंग वर्ब. वाई हैज, देन सब्जेक्ट शी, देन थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब ईटेन all the mangoes. I hope it would be clear. It is the second types of interrogative sentence. I hope it would be clear. Present perfect tense would be clear. You need to learn two things: helping verb and verb. Now look at the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, had plus third form of the verb we will. Which helping verb? Helping verb had we will use plus third form of the verb we will use. Now look at the negative sentence. The first one, he had. अभी आपको नॉट नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना तो आ ही गया होगा कि हम नॉट कहाँ लगाते हैं? आफ्टर हेल्पिंग वर्ब बिफोर वर्ब. तो यहाँ पे थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब से पहले. completed the essay. Next sentence, we had studied English. Now interrogative sentence. उसी तरह से हम बनाएंगे. had helping verb first, then subject. had he completed the essay? Question mark. Then second types of what completed. We had studied English. When WH वर्ड, यहाँ पे हम WH वर्ड चेंज करके आपको बताते हैं कि when had we क्या हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले आता है, फिर हम WH वर्ड पहले लगाएंगे क्योंकि ये सेकंड टाइप ऑफ. सो had we studied English. ठीक है. यहाँ पे अगर हम सिंपल इंट्रोगेटिव, यहाँ पे आप change into single interrogative, this into interrogative, this you will change in the comment box. Okay, this sentence simple interrogative, single interrogative sentence you will change this sentence. I have changed your double interrogative, single interrogative you will change so that you can learn all the rules. Okay, now look at the future continuous tense. तो यहाँ पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस की हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है, शैल हैव, विल हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. शैल हैव और विल हैव के साथ हम थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब का प्रयोग करते हैं परफेक्ट टेंस में. ये आप लर्न कर लीजिए, बस इतना ही आपको लर्न करना है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब लर्न करना है और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लर्न करना है. तो चलिए देखते हैं नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. I shall not have, यहाँ पे नॉट लगाने में क्या है, shall not have, ये लर्न कर लीजिए. तब हम लगाएंगे थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द shall not have completed my work. Second sentence, they will not have, ध्यान दीजिएगा will और shall दोनों के साथ have ही आता है, कभी has या have ना लगाइएगा. ठीक है, तो will not have, shall run away. Now interrogative sentence. Interrogative, as already I had told you, shall, then subject, shall I have completed my work, question mark. Second one, will they have run away. So I hope it would be clear. It would be clear. You all have future perfect tense. So now I had completed the explanation of the perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Okay, negative and interrogative sentence. So now you can note it down. And so student, it was the explanation of the tense, perfect tense, present, past and future. So I hope it would be clear. Your doubt would be clear. If you like my video, hit the like button. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification if I upload any new video. Thanks for watching.